There are so many things to love about living in Sienna, and one of the great things is the amenities that we have here in Sienna, such as the Sawmill Lake Club, which we are at today, which features amazing opportunities and amenities for you, your kids. A huge splash pad, a playground, zip line, overlooking our huge Sawmill Lake, as well as our fitness center and our huge swimming pool, and so much more. That is just a part of what Sawmill Lake Club is, and it is just a walk away from our latest listing, which is at 10030 Tribeca Trail, right across the street. Let's go check it out.